What's up, YouTube? Messi is sleeping upstairs. You know, I hate Messi. Ronaldo is better. So let's mess him up. In order to get into the Messi guy, we need a ladder. Where's the ladder? Ladder, where are you? Ladder. Oh, man. Ha 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 ha. Finally, I found a ladder, guys. So let's go upstairs and beat that Messi that they once called GOAT. He's not the GOAT. Ronaldo is the GOAT. Man, it's hard to go to that ladder, man. I think I surrender. Psych, I won't surrender to that Messi guy. Oops, ha ha ha. Poor Messi. Oh, it's open. The window is open. Okay, guys. Today, let's go to that. Oh, that poor little guy is sleeping. Okay, guys. Let's scroll. Where's the scroll? Oh, don't dance, man. Dish. Okay, guys. Let's scroll. Let's scroll that Messi guy. Is this your goat? Is this your goat? Is that the goat? He's standing up. I got my phone, guys, and today let's take a photo with this guy. This is the Messi, the GOAT. What's up, YouTube? I am here with the Messi guy who is called GOAT, but he's sleeping with my beside of me. Messi. Oh, Messi is not the GOAT. Okay, oh, this is the money. Oh, this is the money of the Messi. Wait. What is the password? Oh no! What's the password? Okay. What's the password, Messi? Okay, let's dance him. Let's dance. Dish. That is starty. Dish. Okay, guys. Let's punch him. What if me and Messi will get into fight, guys? Who will win? MD the Vloggers or Messi? Oh, let's go. Is this the house of Messi? Oh, he have a big TV. Oh, but he have a garage but no car. Poor Messi, he doesn't have a car. What a poor Messi. Poor Messi. Guys, wait, I think it's already morning, guys. I need to hide. Oh, no. I need to hide. Wait, let's find something to hide. Please hide me. Oh, no. What should I do? Wait, let's go to the inventory, guys. Let's find something. Wait. Inventory. Hide me. I need a big stuff that will hide me, guys. I need a plant. I want to make me a plant. No, not a box. It can't hide me. Oh, this is what I want. I found it, guys. Okay, let's hide, guys, because it's already morning and Messi is waking up. Oh, it's morning. Find me, guys. I hope Messi will not find me. Oh, it's now morning. Oh, he's waking up. Oh, no. Wait, I hope he not find me, guys. I hope he not finding me, guys. What? Something is suspicious here. Maybe someone is here. Oh, guys, he's taking exercise. That's why he's GOAT. Oh no, he's GOAT. Ronaldo is the GOAT. What are you doing? It's early, Messi. Don't exercise. He's dancing. Dish. I don't know. He has a talent dancing, guys. It's 6 a.m. and he's dancing. What? He's the GOAT. Oh no. Ronaldo is the GOAT. 10,500. Something is smelling here. Wait, let me check my money. I think someone. Okay. My billion money is still here. Okay. I will just go to upstairs and because I will cook some food. I'm hungry. He's gone. Okay. I need to get this. what? Messi's gone. He's downstairs. Okay, guys, let's get that money. Let's get that money. Ah! Is this the money? Is this your money? This is my money now. Okay, guys, grab that money, guys, before he's coming back. I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm super rich. I'm super rich. Rich. Okay, guys, because I'm rich. Wait, where is Missy, guys? Okay, I think I should sneak him or I should hide. Suggest, guys. Suggest. Oh, I think I need to hide, guys. Maybe he's coming or not. Okay, I need to hide. Hide me. I think I hear the footstep. Faster. I hear the footstep. Where's the hide me? Where's the hide me? I heard the footstep. Wait, I'm rushing. Ah! Hide me. I hear the footstep. Faster. No way, Missy's here. Missy's here. I need to stay put. Ha. Something is missing here. I smell something weird here. What is that smell? If I find that guy, I will punch that. Okay, my money is safety. I think no one is here. Okay, nothing is here. Okay, checkpoint. Okay. I will continue my cooking. He did not find me. Okay, let's check that dude downstairs, guys. Let's check what he's doing downstairs. Okay. Just sneak. Oh, what he's doing? He's watching TV. Oh, he's watching TV. Okay, let's sneak. Let's scroll. Just be careful. Oh, what is he watching? A cute dog. Oh, Missy is a good guy. What if I will punch this, guys? Huh? What if I will punch this Messi? He's so happy, guys. Okay. I'm gonna post this picture in the Instagram that he is playing while watching TV, guys. Okay, guys. This is Messi, guys. Wait, let's take a photo of him. Wait. Ha. Now that I am done picturing Messi, now let's upload it in the Instagram. Haha, I'm gonna upload it in. Wait, there's no signal here. Ha. Uploaded.
Hello, Messi. This is police. We are concerned of your safety because someone is taking picture of you in your house and it was posted on the Instagram by Speed.
What? Speed? Wait, let me check it first. What? How did that dude take a picture of me? How does this dude took a photo of me? No way, this dude is here. I need to find him. If I find you, Speed, I'm gonna punch you. No way, guys. Messi is so angry. Okay, guys, let's hide here, guys, so that he will not find me, guys, or else he will gonna punch me. Oh, don't move. Oh, he have a very big hands. If I find you, I'm gonna kill you. Ha. Where are you? Come out wherever you are, Speed. You're messing with me, and now I'm gonna mess you now. Ha. There's a smelly part here, guys. What is this smell? Ha. I know you're upstairs. I'm gonna punch you now. Speed is not upstairs. I think he's downstairs. Ha. I'm gonna find you, dude. There's no way out here. Once you're here, you'll be here. Ha. Speed, come out. Oh, the photo he was taking is here. Ha, I know you were here, Speed. Speed, come out, Speed. Hey, Speed. Ha. Okay. Maybe okay. I will check in my computer, guys, because someone is emailing me in my computer, so I'm gonna check my computer. Ha. Guys, he's upstairs. So let's go because he's playing computer. Oh, he's not playing. He's emailing someone. So let's go. Let's sneak him and let's escape because the door is locked. I need to go there. I need to get out through that window. Be careful, Speed. Speed, be careful before he gonna saw me. Oh, Just walk. Oh, what is he doing? He's emailing his friends. Oh, yes, I finally. Oh, I'm stuck. Wait, I'm stuck. What? I'm stuck. Help me. Help. Wait, he saw me. Ah, he saw me. You, Speed. Come here now, dude. Yeah. Help, guys. Help. Yeah. Come here, Speed. Take that punch. Help. Help. KO. Take that. That's what you get. You cannot get out here. But there's a consequence. If you wanna get out of here, you need to clean the house first, or else you will gonna eat this punch. Okay, goat. Noted, goat. Guru हंसते हो क्या? Speed, come here, Speed, faster. Okay, I have a question. Sir, yes, sir. Who is now the GOAT? Messi, me, or Ronaldo? You're the GOAT now, Messi. You're the GOAT. Okay, Speed, carry me. Carry me upstairs. I'm sleepy. Okay, Speed, you can go now. I will sleep now. Okay, never ever go to this house again, or else you will not gonna get out forever. Okay? Yes, Messi. Yes, I will go now. You're the boss. You're the GOAT. Subscribe to me, guys.